two aspects of the workshop that helped me the most. First one is listening to and interacting with different people who shared their experiences and about their own projects. And the second one is getting us, the participants, to talk about our own work. And in doing so, I learned more about my project. I learned about how to set it up, the processes, the people we want involved in the project, the possible pitfalls. All that helps me to, it gives me a clearer idea of what my project
Multiculturalism, the exposure and the content and the material that have been shared with us, that was awesome. All the facilitators and all the peer or discussions, they were really good.
I would definitely recommend the capacity building workshop because it is a great platform for knowledge sharing and building. It connects you to colleagues that work in different contexts but face similar challenges. And it combines both synchronous and asynchronous elements that you can refer back to once the workshop is over. It is truly a great opportunity.
I would recommend the workshop both to the university leadership, because I feel that this could help them in creating the right support for the academics that have these bottom-up approaches when it comes to making the university more inclusive and making sure that our graduates manage to finish their studies and to find good employment that matches their skills. And also I would recommend it to the academics because, as I said several times, it provides the right toolbox and some good practices that they could replicate in their own work and in their own pursuit of projects or having a more inclusive environment in the classroom.